today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a discount on Wix in March 2025. If you're looking to save big on a website builder this month, you're in luck. Wix is offering exclusive discounts on its premium plans. I'm going to show you exactly how you can get the best price possible on Wix. This makes it the perfect time to launch your website, online store, or portfolio at a fraction of the price. So first off, what is Wix? Wix is a top-rated website builder known for its easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor, customizable design templates, and powerful tools for businesses, creatives, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced website owner, Wix offers solutions tailored to your needs, including websites, blogs, online stores, and portfolio sites. With a reputation for flexibility and reliability, millions of users trust Wix to power their online presence. Let's go over some of the plan options. So what you want to do is use our exclusive link in the description below. So as you can see, they have a couple of different plans. So with the light plan, it's $17 a month, and with this plan, you get a free domain for the year, 2 gigabytes of storage, multi-cloud hosting, light marketing suite, and 2 site collaborators. Next is the core, and this starts at $29 a month, and you get a free domain for a year, 50 gigabytes of storage, multi-cloud hosting, basic marketing suite. You can also accept payments. They've got basic e-commerce and 5 site collaborators. Next is the business plan, and this is the recommended plan, and this starts at $36 a month. You get a free domain for the year, 100 gigabytes of storage, multi-cloud hosting, standard marketing suite. You can accept payments, and you get the standard e-commerce as well as 10 site collaborators. And lastly is the business elite plan, and this is $159 a month. With this plan, you get a free domain for the year, unlimited storage, multi-cloud hosting, the advanced marketing suite. You can also accept payments. This plan includes the advanced e-commerce as well as the advanced developer platform and 100 site collaborators. So to get the best price possible, what you want to do is use our exclusive link in the description below, and then you can go ahead and start now and create an account right here. So if you're ready to get the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description below. These are affiliate links, which means we do earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. This helps us continue to create high quality content. So thank you in advance for your support. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments about Wix, go ahead and leave them below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video.